Hi everyone, welcome to the Elevator Project. My name is Ryan and we are doing a quick little test as this was a question during the review of the Insta360 GO Ultra is can the Insta360 GO Ultra use external mics? So this action cam has been really amazing and I gotta give this camera some credit. So we're gonna do some testing here and as you can hear, this is the audio straight from the camera itself. So keep that in mind because I'm actually pretty close. I do have some lighting. We're in 4K, I want to say 30 frames per second. So most of the recording that we'll be using today is from the Insta360 GO Ultra. And so for the audio test, testing 1, 2, 3, this is how it sounds. So what we're going to be using is a Rode Wireless Pro setup connected through USB-C. And we're also going to test it with the DJI Mic system as well, using the USB-C adapter and a transmitter. Okay, so I'm going to pause here for a moment and I'm going to switch to the Rode Wireless Pro. Okay, this is the Insta360 GO Ultra, and I'm just going to show once we plug an external mic and how that looks like and how you know that it's connected to an external mic. Okay, so we're going to turn this around and we are just going to turn this on. And as you can see, it is on. Now, it is underneath here on a flat surface, and I have a USB-C cable, and we're going to use the USB-C cable and connect it to a Rode Wireless Pro receiver. Okay, once we plug that in, it should now give us right here some metering. So I'm using this mic, the Rode receiver. Hi everyone, I'm back and now I'm connected to the Rode Wireless Pro. As I can see on my screen, I can see some metering, so it is recording from this mic. Now I'm going to be very clear that when you listen to the audio clips, the first audio clip during the introduction was with no external mic. It was just the onboard mic. And the reason why that's important is because even though I'm using a Rode wireless mic, it may not be as great. Now, we are going to test some different mics, but I guess the big question is, if the quality of the onboard mic is good, why would you want to use an external mic? So there's a lot of reasons for that, depending on how you're going to be using the Insta360 GO Ultra. So right now, obviously, I'm really close to the camera, so anytime your audio source is very close to the mic, the better the quality is. So because this action cam gives a super wide point of view, right now I have it as close as I can during this talking head shot. However, the farther away this camera is, the audio is just not going to be that great. So having an external mic, something like this where it's wireless, I have the transmitter connected through USB-C, and now I have, the receiver and transmitter, I can use the mic wirelessly and still be farther away from the camera and still get great audio. All right, so this is connected to the Rode Wireless Pro. Now let's connect it to the DJI Mic, the original. All right, everyone, so now we have switched to the DJI Mic. Now, again, this is not to compare between the DJI Mic and the Rode Wireless Pro. This is just really to demonstrate the versatility that you can use with the Insta360 GO Ultra, that you can connect different types of USB-C mics to the Ultra. Now, the reason why I don't want this to be a comparison between the DJI Mic versus the Rode Wireless Pro is because I don't normally set up the DJI Mic in this way. Typically, I use the DJI Mic in my professional or my different types of shoots with my clients, and I typically will always use this with a lavalier mic. So if you can take a look at right there, there is a 3.5 millimeter jack, and that is where I plug in the lavalier mic. So I don't have this leveled or set up properly. So this could sound really, really good, or it could sound really, really bad. However, again, I'm testing this. It's recording. I can see the metering in my preview. So this is, again, a demonstration of using multiple or different USB-C mics with the Insta360 GO Ultra. All right, everyone, we are back. Now I'm connected back to the Rode Wireless Pro. Again, this is the Insta360 GO Ultra. It's still been a great action cam. I still use it today. It's versatile for travel. And if you're using this to create content for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc., now it is even more versatile to have better audio depending on what you are filming. So hopefully you found value in this video. If you have, you know what to do. And if you want more content like this one, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, do all the things. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one.